Hello and welcome to the HI UK Select monthly update for January 2026. This was a good start to the year for the fund and the strategy overall. What went well for us? The long book in particular was very strong. This was led by an unsolicited bid for Beazley Group, the specialist UK insurer from Zurich, the big international insurance group. The bid has been initially rejected, but we understand the industrial logic in this one. We'd expect the bid to go through ultimately. So that was a strong driver to the long book at the start. We also had a continuation of the strong performance of the miners, with precious metals being particularly strong. So Glencore and Anglo American were very strong. And we had one or two other good things, including Canal Plus, the London-listed European media and entertainment group, which reported higher than expected synergies from its recent MultiChoice acquisition. The shares price reacted strongly. We didn't have too much go wrong for us on the long book, to be honest. We saw a little bit more weakness in those AI loser perceptions, so that sort of LSEG, Relux, Experian, that cohort, that group, were generally a little bit weaker again. And the sort of long minus short AI theme did probably continue through most of the month. On the short book, we had a couple of really good individual winners, which was good to see. It was notable that Ocado actually lost another US distributor, so that had been quite strong in December, so that gave a bit of that strength back. Nemetschek, which is a German building software business, has also been pretty weak, again probably seen as an AI loser, and it's on a pretty rich multiple, so we saw quite a lot of weakness in that. That went reasonably well for us. And also our consumer shorts in the UK, Wetherspoons, where rising costs are very difficult for them to pass on to the consumer because of their very strongly competitive pricing offer. And also Jet2, the travel and package holiday. People are concerned about how the summer is going to play out and order booking trends in that sector. So, quite good to see overall during the month some good alpha being generated on both sides of the book and a broadening of the UK market. We generally saw quite a lot of fairly positive reporting, lots of small beats to expectations in the UK so far this year today. That's quite a good background for us, we think. And we'll recall that last year was a very narrow market in the UK, led by miners, defence, a few pharmaceuticals, but a very small number of the very largest companies. So we think this broadening of the market, should it continue, should be quite positive for us. So we're encouraged by the start of the year, but it is only the start of the year. And we'll continue to work hard to drive returns for investors from here. Thank you again for your support.